Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis, I did it yesterday, and this chart's now kind of tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of different perspectives that could be watching this video. Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, well then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about things from more so a big picture perspective, I get it. From the highs, there was a pretty big pullback. But from that point of view, there is still an opportunity for the price to put in a higher low. And as long as higher lows are being built higher and higher over time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So from that point of view, definitely the very important level going into next week is going to be right here around the $5 mark, which did hold. The reason $5 is, I don't want to be too dramatic, but in some ways really is kind of a must-hold, do-or-die type level, is because if the price drops below $5, especially when you consider that not that long ago it was just up there, but if it were to drop below $5, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was before the big move even started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to be going back to where they were, right? They're going to make at least some sort of progress. And that's what $5 in my mind represents right now, is if the price does at least start to go sideways and then works its way back up, well then at least you would have this set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there, and if you picture those as stair steps, you would technically have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's, the name of the game. That's what you really would kind of want to see unfold going forward. Now, in the event $5 is kind of this higher base and it starts to bounce back upwards, where's some of these key levels of resistance at? Initial area of resistance on any sort of, bouncing back to the upside, going to be right here around the 565 area. If the price can push through there, then next key overall level is just where the party stopped today, and that was up there right around $6.60. So we'll see what happens with it. Like I said, a deeper pullback today, but the bulls do still, to be fair, have an opportunity to chip away and build a higher base at 5, so we'll see if that level can hold up or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.